In this video, we're going to cover how to make an assignment that will include a video within it. We're going to select Manage Assignments from our course home, select Create, and then we'll choose Create Homework. I'll give my homework a name, and select Next. Then I'll select the Media tab here to view what media is available to add to my assignments. And I could add one of these existing items if I'd like, but in this case, I'm going to add my own media in the form of a video from YouTube to this homework. To do that, I'll select Add My Own Media. I'll give my media a title. I'll paste in the URL for my video, choose the type of media I'm adding, and I'll choose video. I can assign this new media item to a specific module or section, and this is best practice to keep your media organized within your course. And then I'll choose Add External Media. Now my video has been added to my homework assignment. I could add more media if I'd like, or I could select the Questions tab and start adding questions to my homework in addition to the video I've added. When I'm done adding media and questions to my assignment, I'll select Next. And then on the next page, I'll set an availability date and due date to the assignment. On this page, I can also select Require students to work media before answering questions if I want my students to watch the video first and then answer the questions in the homework. And when I'm done on this page, I'll select Save and Assign. And when you create a new assignment, you'll find it at the bottom of your assignment list. So we'll scroll down to find our new assignment. Now let's take a look at how the students will see this assignment. I'll do that by selecting the Options menu for my homework and choosing Preview. And you see my video is listed here. And since we required students to work the media first before working through the questions are locked until we open the video. So I'll go ahead and choose the video to open it. I can watch the video here. And now my questions are unlocked to work through since I've viewed the video. The students are free to jump back to the video and watch it again if they'd like as they work through the homework. And that's how to add videos to your homework assignments in NCCERconnect.